In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add roles in Discord. If you manage a Discord server, roles are one of the most useful tools you can set up. They help you organize members, control permissions, and make it easier to manage different groups in your community. Whether you want a role for moderators, members, VIPs, or any custom category, the process is simple once you know where to go. To get started, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the new role. Make sure you're in the correct server since roles are created individually for each server and won't carry over to others. Once you're inside the server, look toward the top left area of the screen where the server name appears. Next to the server name, click the drop-down arrow. This opens the main server menu where you'll find several management options related to your community. From that menu, click on Server Settings. This is the control center for your server, and it's where you can manage everything from channels and moderation tools to member permissions and roles. If you don't see this option, you may need the appropriate permissions in that server to make changes. After server settings opens, look through the menu on the left-hand side and click on Roles. This section is specifically for creating, editing, and managing all roles in the server. If your server already has roles set up, you'll see them listed here. Now click on Create Role. This starts a brand new role that you can customize for your server. Creating roles carefully can save time later, especially if you plan to assign different permissions to different groups of people. Once the role is created, you'll move into the role editing screen. Here you can edit the role to fit your needs. For example, this is where you can change the role name, choose a color, and adjust how the role appears in the server. Depending on your goals, you may also want to review the available settings and permissions so the role behaves exactly the way you want. Take a moment here to double check everything before leaving the page. A clearly named role and properly chosen settings can make server management much smoother, especially as your community grows. And that's how to add roles in Discord. After creating and editing the role, you'll be ready to use it within your server setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.